do that. Oh my god, I did not mean to do that.
Egg.
Okay, crack it.
No. Oh my gosh, did it get on you?
Ew. Colleen! Look at that.
She got it on me.
Let's clean that. Look. Ew.
Ew, it's so gross.
Okay.
So, let's go get something to clean us up.
I guess I cleaned up and it's kind of messy.
Yeah, I know.
I'll probably just make the mess first. Okay.
Here's some toilet paper. Now, my shirt, look at that.
There's an egg on your shirt.
Okay, so this is the egg. Yeah.
Ow.
Stop. Rats. Look at that. Colleen.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh.
What?
It's not coming out. Okay.
You know what?
Well, I think it's time for us to just kind of
dog bars.
say goodbye.
Yeah, okay.
Let's get it all in my hands.
Not quite on my hand.
She has to get it all on her hands.
Because it's just nice. Ooh, it is cool. Okay, we need to get even higher.
That's good enough. We can just like slouch down a little.
Ooh, what is that?
It's the egg.
It's so cool though.
Move over. Okay.
So cool. Okay, it's gonna go.
Bye.
Bye.
Molly and Colleen.
Molly and Colleen.
A crash day.